Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to the platform of Pharmapedia once again with the new video of the drug series that is tizanidine. Tizanidine is basically belong to the class of the drug that is a skeletal muscle relaxant. So let's begin the video. As you can see, tizanidine is available in with the same generic name, and its available strand is 4 mg. In Pakistan, it is available with the brand name of Movex. So as you can see, it is a skeletal muscle relaxant. There are the two types of the skeletal muscle relaxant on the basis of its therapeutic activity, and that are neuromuscular blockers and spasmolytic. Spasmolytic are further divided into the two types: chronic use and acute use. So in the chronic use, that produces effect by acting on the CNS or baclofen, diazepam and tizanidine. And the reference of this picture from Kherson Pharmacology edition 11. So here you can see the another brand name of the tizanidine, that is Agal, Agal4 and Agal SR. These are basically differentiated on the basis of its available strength, that is 2 mg, 4 mg and 6 mg respectively. So here you can see the functions of the tizanidine: ensure the muscle flexibility and enhance the physical performance because it is a spasmolytic, and reduce pain. And it is used in the chronic conditions because it acts on the CNS. Impart the rapid relief without causing the muscle weakness because it is a spasmolytic, and it means a skeletal muscle relaxant. So here you can see the drug category. It belong to the alpha adrenergic category. That means it agonists the activity of alpha receptor and producing an effect, that is a skeletal muscle relaxation. In pregnancy, risks cannot be ruled out. Lactation caution advice. If you talk about the indication, so you can see previously painful muscle spasm, spasticity due to the neurological disorders. Doses in adult: painful muscle spasm 2 to 4 tablets daily in divided dosage. Spasticity due to neurological disorder, maximum initial dose is 6 mg per day in 3 divided doses. The increase is stepwise to 12 to 36 mg per day, and in children it is not recommended. Advice to the patient: take on the empty stomach and avoid alcohol during therapy. Contact prescriber if there is a constant dizziness, skin rashes, difficulty in breathing, chest pain and all these symptoms, as you can see. So if the patient missed the dose, so you should advise the patient, because you are a pharmacist, take it within an hour of the scheduled time. Otherwise skip the dose and wait for the dose. Do not take double dose. If we talk about the precautions when you prescribe or advise or dispense the tizanidine to the patient: impaired liver or kidney function. Now if we talk about the interactions, its major interactions are with antihypertensive, diuretic, alcohol and all of the sedative drugs. And at last, its adverse effect are fatigue, dizziness, dry mouth, because it is alpha adrenergic agonist. So interlink its adverse effect and interaction with the alpha adrenergic agonist interactions. So nausea, reduction in the blood pressure, muscle weakness, insomnia and bradycardia, these are obviously the adverse effect of alpha adrenergic agonist. So by nature it is alpha adrenergic agonist, that's why it's having the same symptoms of that classification. So that's all with this video. Thank you so much for watching and take care. Allah Hafiz.